Hey guys, Steve with StevesProfitSeekers.com here. I wanted to shoot this quick video. I wanted to be one of the first people to show you, let this known about this course. This is a brand new course called Simple Wi-Fi Profits, and this course is getting ready to blow up because it is going to show you the secrets to making huge money online from your home. And it's very, very simple to get started. All you need to do is you need to watch this free webinar. So once you hit this link, once you hit the page, you can read through, and I'm going to go over real quick what is covered. But to get started, all you need to do is click on this link, and it's going to take you to this free webinar, this free workshop. And then all you need to do is you need to register to watch the free webinar, and it will give you all the information you need to get started with this program. Now, what this program will show you is it shows you how to make profits at home from, just with the internet, and it's very simple. It's a very easy system that anybody can get started with. Here are all the things that are covered. There's a lot that's covered in this free training, and then also I want to show you that once you go through this and you sign up, you get all of these free bonuses. So they're giving you over $40,000 of value with this course. It's pretty incredible what you get once you sign up, and you get a lot of help. You get a free membership to their, obviously you get the training, and you get basically a community to get started with this opportunity. So I highly recommend you check this out. Again, it's Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Click the link, go through, sign up, get your spot, because this is a limited offer. These types of trainings, I know the history on these guys, and these types of trainings don't last forever. So you want to take advantage of this right now. Again, this is a huge opportunity. I wanted to be one of the first people to get this out and show you, and I want you to take advantage of this. So watch the free training. You have nothing to lose. If you're not interested, you don't have to sign up. There's no more commitment. But I'm guessing once you go through the training, you're going to be very interested in what they have to show you. So check it out. Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Click the link, sign up, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.